students, welcome to my channel. This video is extension part of previous straight lines video. See that we are going to discuss parallel and perpendicular condition based questions. First question, find the value of k if the straight lines 6x minus 10y plus 3 equal to 0 and kx minus 5y plus 8 equal to 0 are parallel. Here the condition is parallel. When the lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. That means we are going to apply the condition for this problem is m1 equal to m2. First write the steps. Given lines or simply given straight lines. First line 6x minus 10y plus 3 equal to 0. Keep that equation number 1 and write immediately slope of the line also. Slope of equation 1 is m1 is equal to minus x coefficient by y coefficient. Minus 6 by minus 10 dividing by minus 2, it will becomes 3 by 5. So m1 value is equal to 3 by 5. And what is the second line? Kx minus 5y plus 8 equal to 0. Keep that equation number 1. And slope of equation 2 is m2 equal to minus k divided by minus 5, minus x coefficient by y coefficient, which is equal to k by 5. Since the lines 1 and 2 are parallel, whenever the lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. Parallel, then their slopes are equal. That is m1 equal to m2. What is m1 value? 3 by 5, which is equal to m2, k by 5. Both sides 5 get cancelled. That implies k is equal to 3. Therefore, the value of k equal to 3. Come to the next question. Find the value of p if the straight lines 3x plus 7y minus 1 equal to 0 and 7x minus py plus 3 equal to 0 are mutually perpendicular lines. We have to know about when the lines are perpendicular. The product of two slopes equal to minus 1. So first given lines, like previous problem you have to do, but changes only condition. Given straight lines, first line 3x plus 7y minus 1 equal to 0, keep that equation number 1, and slope of equation 1 is m1 is equal to minus x coefficient by y coefficient. m1 is equal to minus 3 by 7. Next, and second line 7x minus py plus 3 equal to 0, keep that equation number 2. Slope of equation 2 is m2 is equal to minus x coefficient by y coefficient, minus 7 by minus p, which is equal to 7 by p. Since the lines are mutually perpendicular lines, then we have m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. That means whose product is equal to minus 1. m1 value is what? Minus 3 by 7 into m2 value 7 by p, which is equal to minus 1. Both sides here minus you have to cancel it. Here 7 you have to cancel it. 3 is equal to p cross multiplying. Therefore, the value of p is 3. Come to the next question. Find the value of k if the straight lines y minus 3kx plus 4 equal to 0 and 2k minus 1x, 2k minus 1 into x minus 8k minus 1 into y minus 6 equal to 0 are perpendicular. Same condition you have to follow, but The question of giving is different. First step is given straight lines. Y minus 3kx plus 4 equal to 0. This equation write in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. So y is equal to minus 3kx, you can take this side, minus 3k into minus, you can take this plus 3kx minus 4. Here, this is the first line, we are assuming that slope of first line is denoted by, here, no need to write here, slope of equation 1 is m1 is equal to, this you have to compare with y is equal to mx plus c or m1x. m1 is equal to 3k. Next, and second line, 2k minus 1 into x minus 8k minus 1 into y minus 6 equal to 0. Equation number 2. It is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Slope of the line, we know that. Slope of equation 2 is m2 is equal to minus x coefficient by y coefficient. So here minus get cancelled. 2k minus 1 by 8k minus 1. Since the lines are perpendicular, you have to underline it in exam also. Whenever perpendicular, we know that condition m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So m1 value is 3k into m2 value 2k minus 1 divided by 8k minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Cross multiply, 3k into 2k is 6k square minus 3k into minus 1 is 3k is equal to minus 1 into 8k minus 8k minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. These values you can take this side, 6k square plus 5k minus 1 is equal to 0. Factorization we have to do that. 6k square plus 6k minus k minus 1 equal to 0. From these two 6k take common, from these two minus 1 take common. 6k into k plus 1 minus 1 into k plus 1 is equal to 0. So k plus 1 into 6k minus 1 is equal to 0. So k plus 1 equal to 0 and 6k minus 1 equal to 0. So k is equal to minus 1 and 6k is equal to 1. K is equal to 1 by 6. So these are the possible values of k. Next question. Minus 4 comma 5 is a vertex of a square and one of its diagonals is 7x minus 5 plus 8 equal to 0. Find the equation of the other diagonal. So here they are asking to calculate other diagonal in the square. This is the rough diagram according to the problem. This is the square. These are the diagonals. This diagonal is 7x minus y plus 8 equal to 0. One vertex is given, that vertex I am assuming that minus 4 comma 5. They are asking to calculate another diagonal, that diagonal they are asking. We know that diagonals perpendicular in square. So, slope of one of the diagonal, slope of first diagonal 7x minus y plus 8 equal to 0 is m1 is equal to minus 7 by minus 1 which is equal to 7. Let the slope of other diagonal be m2. Since diagonals are perpendicular in the square, no need to mention, then we have m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. m1 value is 7 into m2 is m2 only equal to minus 1. That implies m2 is equal to minus 1 by 7. We know the slope and it is passing through minus 4 comma 5. Therefore, the equation of other diagonal passing through minus 4 comma 5 and having the slope m2 is equal to minus 7 by 7 is right formula. Y minus y1 equal to m2 into x minus x1. Y minus this point is x1 y1. So y minus 5 is equal to m2 value is minus 1 by 7 into x minus of minus 4. Cross multiply 7y minus 35 equal to minus x plus 4 minus x minus 4. These values we can take this side. X plus 7y minus 31 equal to 0. This is the another diagonal of a square. This type of problems they will ask in boards for 2 marks. Based on the concept of perpendicularity. Come to the next question. Find the equations of the straight lines passing through the point 1 comma 3. In that first question is parallel and perpendicular to the line passing through these 2 points. First we have to analyze what we have to calculate, what we are going to do that. See that the line passing through the points 3 comma minus 5 and minus 6 comma 1. First you have to calculate the line passing through these 2 points 3 comma minus 5 and minus 6 comma 1. This you have to assume that x1 y1. This you have to assume that x2 y2. First step is given line joining points. Given line joining points. If you want to assume that numbers a and b, you can write names a and b as this one. The equation of AB. The equation of AB line is right formula y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Substitute these values. Y minus of minus 5 equal to y2 minus y1. 1 minus of minus 5. 1 plus 5, 6. Minus 6 minus 3 minus 9 into x minus x1 value is 3. Here 3 2s are 3 3s are. Minus 3 cross multiply with this. So minus 3y minus 15 is equal to 2x minus 6. These values we are going to do that. Take that. So 2x plus 3y minus 15, we can take this side plus 15 minus 6 equal to 0. 2x plus 3y plus 9 equal to 0. Now come to the question. After that, come first this we have to compare with ax plus by plus c. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3. Why we are writing only a and b? Here first question parallel, second question is perpendicular. See that first question, this is the line AB. They are asking to calculate the equation of line AB, the equation of line parallel to AB, this is parallel to AB and passing through which point? 1 comma 3. So they are parallel lines. So we know that in previous classes I discussed that the equation of line which is parallel to ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and passing through x1 y1 is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 equal to 0. So the equation of line parallel to equation 1 and passing through 1 comma 3. This we have to assume that x1 y1. This is different from this one. So the equation of line parallel to equation 1 and passing through one comma 3 is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 is equal to 0. So a value is here 2 into x minus x1 value is 1 plus b value is 3 into y minus y1 value is 3. So simplify now. 2x minus 2 plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0. That is 2x plus 3y minus 11 equal to 0 is parallel line and passing through 1 comma 3. One more question is there. This is parallel line we calculated. Second one, the equation of line perpendicular to equation 1 and passing through one comma 3 is perpendicular. Whenever it is perpendicular line, formula will becomes b into x minus x1 minus a into y minus y1 is equal to 0. So the diagram will become like this way. This is AB line. This is the required line, L is equal to 0, which is perpendicular now. Passing through which point? 1 comma 3. So b value is 3 into x minus x1 value is 1 minus a value is 2, y minus 3 is equal to 0. 3x minus 3 minus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. 3x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. This is the required line which is passing through 1 comma 3 and perpendicular to the line AB. Next question. The line x by a minus y by b equal to 1 meets x-axis at a point P. Find the equation of the line perpendicular to this line at P. First, we have to calculate the point P by using the condition the line meets x-axis. Whenever the line meets x-axis, y coordinate is equal to 0. On x-axis, y coordinate is 0. First, given line x by a minus y by b is equal to 1, we can write it as, by taking LCM and all, bx minus ay is equal to ab. This equation 1. Equation meets x-axis. Equation meets x-axis. Then y is equal to 0. Y equal to 0 means y coordinate of the point is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0, substitute in this equation, it will becomes bx is equal to ab. That implies x is equal to a versus bb get cancelled. Say for the point on the line is p of x comma y, that is equal to p of a comma 0. Now this point we have to assume that x1 y1. At this point we need to calculate perpendicular line to this line. So equation 1 we are rewriting as 1 implies that we can write as bx minus ay minus ab is equal to 0. This equation you have to compare with ax plus by plus c. So here a is equal to b and b is equal to minus a. The equation of line perpendicular to equation 1 and passing through a comma 0, this is x1 y1, is b into x minus x1, general formula I am writing, a into y minus y1 equal to 0. What is b? We know that b is equal to minus a. Minus a into x minus x1 value is a. Minus a value is what? b. Y minus y1 value is 0. So minus ax plus a square minus by is equal to 0. These minus values you can take that side. ax plus by is equal to a square, dividing on both sides by ab. So it will becomes x by b plus y by a is equal to a by b, dividing on both sides by ab. Then we got this line. This line is perpendicular to the given line. Now next question. Find the equation of the line perpendicular to the line 3x plus 4y plus 6 equal to 0 and making an intercept minus 4 on the x-axis. According to the problem, draw the diagram firstly. The required line is perpendicular to this one and making an intercept minus 4 on x-axis, that is negative x-intercept. So observe carefully the line. 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6 means exactly the line which belongs to third quadrant. This is the line, given line. This is the required line we are going to calculate and passing through. And this line making an intercept minus 4 comma 0. Minus 4 comma 0 means minus 4. From here to here it is minus 4 units. From here to here minus 4 units. This is the required line. Required line. This is the given line. So first given line 3x plus 4y plus 6 equal to 0. Here a equal to 3, b equal to 4. The required line makes an intercept minus 4 on x-axis. That is, the point on x-axis is minus 4 comma 0. This is x1 y1. So the equation of line perpendicular to equation 1 and passing through minus 4 comma 0 is, that means perpendicular line we are going to calculate. So b into x minus x1 minus a into y minus y1 is equal to 0. So b value is 4, x minus x1 value is minus of minus 4, a value is 3 into y minus 0. So 4x plus 16 minus 3y equal to 0. 4x minus 3y plus 16 equal to 0. This is the required line making an angle minus, making x-intercept minus 4 and passing through minus 4 comma 0. Next question. X minus 3y minus 5 equal to 0 is the perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining the points A comma B. If A equal to minus 1 minus 3, find the coordinates of B. First you have to understand the question is related to which concept. Whenever in the given question perpendicular bisector of the line segment mentioned and one point is given, indirectly they are asking to calculate image of the point with respect to the perpendicular bisector. See here, this line AB is perpendicular bisector. So this is not a perpendicular bisector, this is perpendicular bisector. Line joining of the points AB. So A value is given as minus 1 comma minus 3, that we can assume that x1 y1. We don't know that coordinates of B, that I am assuming that h comma k. This perpendicular bisector is given as x minus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. The diagram like this, rotation also we can take. So by observing, to get the coordinates of point B, whenever this line is bisector, perpendicular bisector, if you take one point here, from here to here distance should be equal to from here to here, PA is equal to BB. That is the reason this line is perpendicular bisector. So whenever it is perpendicular bisector, from here to here distance should be equal to from here to here. So it is the image. First given perpendicular bisector x minus 3y minus 5 equal to 0, equation number 1. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3. Given point a minus 1 comma minus 3 x1 y1. Let b of h comma k is the image of a of minus 1 comma minus 3 with respect to the line, equation 1, that means line 1. So what is the formula to get image formula? We have h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b equal to minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Now respective value substitute. H minus x1 value is minus 1, minus 1 plus 1 by a value is 1, k minus of minus 3 plus 3 divided by b value is minus 3 equal to minus 2 into, in place of x comma y substitute this point minus 1 minus 3, so minus 1 plus 9 minus 5 divided by a square plus b square, 9 plus 1 that will become 10. H plus 1 by 1 equal to k plus 3 by minus 3 equal to minus 2 into minus 1 plus 9 minus 5 by 10. So 2 1s are 2 5s. After that 9 minus 5 minus 6. So 3 into minus 1 minus 3 by 5. H plus 1 divided by 1 k plus 3 by minus 3 which is equal to minus 3 by 5. Equating these two, H plus 1 is equal to minus 3 by 5. H is equal to minus 3 by 5 minus 1. Therefore, H is equal to minus 8 by 5. K plus 3 is equal to, divided by minus 3 is equal to minus 3 by 5. Cross multiplying, 5k plus 15 is equal to 9. 5k equal to minus 6. 9 minus 15. So 15 minus 9 is 6. Minus 6. K is equal to minus 6 by 5. Therefore, the coordinates of B of x comma y are, sorry, not x comma y, h comma y. B equal to minus 8 by 5 comma minus 6 by 5. Next question. Find the equations of the straight lines passing through the point minus 3 comma 2 and making an angle of 45 degrees with the straight line 3x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. According to the problem, draw the rough diagram. Find the equations of the straight lines passing through the point minus 3 comma 2. This is the straight line. Passing through which point? Minus 3 comma 2. And making an angle of 45 degrees with the line 3x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. I am assuming and the angle between these two is given as 45 degrees, theta equal to 45. This is the first line, first given line. L1 we have to assume that 3x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. Slope of L1 equal to 0 is, slope of 1 is, first line means slope M1 is equal to minus x coefficient by y coefficient. Minus 3 by minus 1, M1 is equal to 3. Let the slope of L2, this is L2 equal to 0, this is L1. Slope of L2 equal to 0 be M2 is equal to M. This is the second line, we are assuming that slope is M2 and that I am assuming as M. Given angle between L1 equal to 0 and L2 equal to 0 is 45 degrees. That is theta equal to 45. We know that tan theta equal to the angle between the angle between the two lines whose slopes are m1 and m2 respectively. We have formula tan theta equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. In place of theta substitute 45 and respective values of m1 and m2 you have to substitute. 3 minus m divided by 1 plus m1 m2. m into 3, 1 plus 3m. Tan 45 is 1. 1 is equal to mod 3 minus m divided by 1 plus 3m. Cross multiply mod 1 plus 3m is equal to 3 minus m, and squaring on both sides. 1 plus 9m square plus 6m is equal to 9 plus m square minus 6m. Both sides, no need to calculate all the values, we can take this side. So 9m square plus 6m plus 1, these values I am taking that side, minus 9 minus m square plus 6m is equal to 0. 9m square minus m square is 8m square. 6m plus 6m is 12m. 1 minus 9 is minus 8 equal to 0. All are multiples of 4. So dividing by 4, 2m square plus 3m minus 2 equal to 0. By using factorization, 2 to the 4, so minus 4. So 3m can be written as 2m square plus 4m minus m minus 2 equal to 0. From these two, 2m take common. M minus m plus 2m. From these two, minus 1 take common. Okay, 4m minus m. Here 2m take common is m plus 2 only will come here. Minus 1 take common, m plus 2 equal to 0. So m plus 2 into 2m minus 1 equal to 0. So m plus 2 equal to 0 and 2m minus 1 equal to 0. M equal to minus 2 and 2m equal to 1, m equal to 1 by 2. After that first case, they are asking to calculate, find the equation of lines, straight lines. So case 1, if m equal to minus 2 and point P is minus 3 comma 2, this is x1 y1, m is minus 2. The required line is of the form y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus 2 equal to m value is minus 2, x minus of minus 3. So y minus 2 equal to minus 2x minus 6. These values we can take this side, 2x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. This is one of the lines. Go to the second case, case 2. If m is equal to 1 by 2 and the point is minus 3 comma 2, this is x1 y1. The required line is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus 2 equal to m value is 1 by 2 into x minus of minus 3. Cross multiply 2y minus 4 equal to x plus 3. X minus 2y plus 7 equal to 0. These are the two lines passing through the point minus 3 comma 2 and making an angle 45 degrees with the given line. Next question. Find the equations of the straight line passing through the point of intersection of the lines 3x plus 2y plus 4 equal to 0, 2x plus 5y equal to 1 and whose distance from 2 comma minus 1 is 2. First you have to understand the question. Find the equations of the straight lines passing through the point of intersection of the lines. First, given lines we have to write. Given lines. First line is 3x plus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. Equation number 1. And second line 2x plus 5y minus 1 is equal to 0. Equation number 2. First, solving these two equations, we can get point of intersection. They mentioned the point of intersection of the lines. So observe the diagram also. These are the lines which are intersecting what point? At this point p of x comma y, that we are going to calculate now. So solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. By using cross multiplication method, we will do it here, this question. Cross multiplication method means we know that from both the equations, first y coefficient, next constant, again x coefficient, again y coefficient. In the second line also y coefficient, constant, x coefficient, again y coefficient. In first between two columns x, next two columns y, next two columns 1, and find the determinant of each 2 by 2 matrix. That means x by minus 2 minus 20 equal to y divided by 8 minus of minus 3, 1 divided by 15 minus 4, x divided by minus 22, y divided by 11, it is equal to 1 by 11. Equating these two, x by minus 22 is equal to 1 by 11. Cross multiply, 11x is equal to minus 22, x is equal to minus 2. Y by 11 is equal to 1 by 11. That implies y is equal to 1. 11 get cancelled. Therefore, the point of intersection of 1 and 2 is p of x comma y is equal to p of minus 2 comma 1. So this is minus 2 comma 1. After getting point of intersection, find the equation of straight line passing through point of intersection of lines. That means this is the line passing through minus 2 comma 1, and I am assuming that whose slope is m, and this line is at a distance of 2 units from the point. Given point is 2 comma minus 1. From here to here distance we are assuming that 2. We already given it is 2 units. Distance it is. Distance means in the geometry it is perpendicular distance from this point to the line. The required equations of straight line is passing through minus 2 comma 1 with slope m. We are assuming that slope is m. With slope m is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. In place of x1 y1 we have to write minus 2 comma 1. So y minus 1 is equal to m into x minus of minus 2. After simplifying, 2m plus mx minus y plus 1 equal to 0. This equation write in the form of x plus b1 plus c. So mx minus y plus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Sorry, equation number 3 it is. This line only. Equation 3. This is equation number 1 and equation number 2. Solving, we got that point minus 2 comma 1. This is the equation number 3. After that, given distance in the meaning is perpendicular distance from 2 comma minus 1 to equation 3 is 2 units. That is 2 is equal to mod, in place of x comma y in this line we have to replace with 2 comma minus 1. So m into 2, that means 2m. After that in place of y minus 1, so minus of minus plus 1 plus 2m plus 1 divided by root of x coefficient whole square plus y coefficient whole square. X coefficient whole square means n square, y coefficient whole square is minus 1 whole square plus 1. So 2 equal to mod 2 times of 2m plus 1 divided by root m square plus 1. So here to get cancelled, cross multiply, root m square plus 1 is equal to 2m plus 1 mod, squaring on both sides, m square plus 1 is equal to 4m square plus 1 plus 4m. Both sides 1 get cancelled. These values we can take this side. 3m square plus 4m equal to 0. So m take common, m into 3m plus 4. That means m is equal to 0 and 3m plus 4 equal to 0. So m is equal to minus 4 by 3. Here cases are there. First case, if m is equal to 0 and the point is minus 2 comma 1. They are asking to calculate equation, either this one or another. So minus 2 comma 1 point. This is x1 y1. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus 1 equal to 0 into x minus of minus 2. 0 and anything is 0. So y minus 1 equal to 0. Come to the second case. If m is equal to minus 4 by 3 and the point is minus 2 comma 1 x1 y1, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, y minus 1 equal to minus 4 by 3 into x minus of minus 2 plus 2. So 3y minus 3 equal to minus 4x minus 8. We can take this side, 4x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. These are the lines which are at a distance of 2 units from the point 2 comma minus 1.